A massive explosion that has taken place in Sigachi Industrial Limited of Sangareddy has caused havoc in this particular area. 12 people are said to be dead in this particular blast that has taken place. Air dryer is expected or suspected to have exploded, causing such a huge blast that had been heard or felt till kilometers from this particular area. The whole concrete structure that was present in this particular premises has collapsed. Several people, like 90 people, were said to be at the spot at this particular premises when the incident took place. On whole, 150 people were inside, but at this particular accident spot, what we are learning is that 90 people were there. 22 of them are being injured and shifted to hospital, among which 11 are said to be very critical, and the other 12 have lost their lives from this particular premises. 10 who have been recovered from this premises, and 2 have have lost their life while undergoing treatment. Now, family members of several of the workers are awaiting their loved ones' identification. Many of them are said to be unidentified, of which now the rescue operations are still ongoing. The debris is being moved, and family members of several are just expecting the news of their loved ones who were working at this particular station at around 9:20 a.m. 8 o'clock is the shift. When the 8 o'clock is the shift start timings, and after immediately, after 1 hour 40 or 20 minutes is where this whole incident has taken place. As you can see at this particular spot, heavy machinery, concrete structures, a tree, and many chemical equipments, the test tubes and several other equipments that are usually used for a chemical examination, the computers, everything has fallen on the ground here. Huge steel construction pipes that have been set up for this particular operation have fallen. Several cylinders here lying on ground after this massive explosion that has shocked the whole Sangareddy area after this particular incident has taken place in the early hours. Now, the number as to how many of them have trapped is not known, but authorities like the fire, the police, Hydra, NDRF, SDRF are continuously working on rescuing or removing those who are trapped inside this particular premises. A huge area that has been covered in this particular operation since morning is where the blast had taken place, but the fire still continues. The firefighters are still fighting to douse off the fire and rescue those who are trapped inside. Several of the rescue officials or officers have also been said to be injured with their hands and legs burned while rescuing in this particular operation.
It's a very unfortunate incident that in this company, Sigachi Industries Limited, today nearly 63 people reported for work, and although initially they were saying that there is a reactor blast, there was there's a pit. That is why let it go. Today morning in Sigachi Industries, there was a very bad accident. Nearly 63 people reported for work. Initially, there was an impression that there was a reactor blast, but our Honorable Minister, Mr. Damodar Raj Narasimha Garu, and myself, we just visited the spot. There is no reactor blast. I think, unfortunately, the person who was in charge of the factory, he was also one of the people who was involved in the accident. He is no more. So there's nobody from the factory side to give us really what happened. Because after the blast, whatever happened, the whole building collapsed. And out of 63 people who reported, it is now established that in the morning there were about 8 people who had died. And now they have recovered 4 more deaths from the debris. And another 12 people are seriously critical in the hospitals. They are on the ventilator. And not only on the ventilator, I think because of the burns of the blast. Their respiratory system is under threat, and I think they are critically ill. These 12 people. One person is recovering, but almost 11 people are in really bad shape. Now, rest of the people, 22 people, there have been about 20 to 25% burns, so they are being well treated. And 8 plus 4 bola na? Now 12 people have died. 4 people just now under the debris they were able to.
How many are injured?
About 22 people are still. 22 plus 12. 12 are critical. 22 are having burns, and I think they don't have any exhaustion issues. So we are hoping that there will be good recoveries from these 22.
So you were saying there is no boiler explosion or a blast that has taken place yet?
Because of the reactor. There one of the company officers were mentioning it could be due to a air dryer pressure built up, and that's why because of that blast the whole building, because there was the end product was there. It is an oxygen related one. So the oxygen caught fire and then the whole building got collapsed.
Company names are exactly?
Sigarchi Industries Limited.
Out of 63, 54 have been impacted, 22 plus 12 plus 10.
22 plus 12, 34 plus
44
12.
have been impacted.
Impacted, and now still they are on the lookout of how many more are affected and how many are safe. So I think we will get a clarity in the next 1 or 2 hours. There is just now the opposition party leaders came and they have been telling that the government has neglected. It is utter false, because the collector and the SP were here within half an hour of the incident. They have set up a war room here, and actually the opposition leaders should understand that in such kind of a critical situation, it is important to first see that the workers who are affected are shifted to the nearby hospitals. They are saying they should have been shifted to corporate hospitals and all. Here, they should understand that in such kind of incidents, giving oxygen is the most important thing. And for giving oxygen, you have to go to the nearby hospital facility which is available. And they have been properly ventilated. 12 people are on the ventilator. It means that their immediate prompt action has been taken.
Any ex-gratia being considered, sir?
Definitely, we have to talk to the management, and definitely in this kind of incidents, we need to analyze why this accident has happened. Actually, being the Labour Minister, I had the opportunity of going through the inspection report. So, in the inspection report on the air dryer system and all, no such mention was done, what kind of steps need to be taken. So, a good technical report is required, and definitely we will ensure that the families of the deceased are well looked after, and good ex gratia amount is definitely given. That is the responsibility of the government, and we will see that whatever interim help needs to be given to the families, government will definitely come forward.
From outside the state,
There are because I have just seen some of the families. They are from outside. There will be some labor from outside. So we will make arrangements to see that they are well looked after.
Several of the family members are protesting that their people are not identified. So how many people are trapped?
Yeah, because in such kind of incidents, immediately to identify is difficult. Some of the people who have expired, they are now doing a DNA test in the hospitals to identify who are the correct people. This will take time. This is an unfortunate incident where you cannot have immediate relief or immediate solutions. We will definitely come forward with a proper plan.
Okay? So no number,
No, we have to wait. See, number can be known only after the debris is cleared. So we'll wait for the debris to be removed. Just now, the Hydra people have come. They are on the job of removing it.
With camera person Damodar, Abdul Bashir, Sangareddy.